Okay, this is a Samsung LNT4661F. It's got a clicking noise in it. It takes about 10 cycles of the relay to kick this plasma TV on. So we're going to look and see if we can find what might the problem be. Probably going to be some capacitors, so let's check those out first. Okay, we've got the back of this power supply off, and you can see here we've got some bulging and one leaking capacitor. So let's take a look. There's one right here. You can see that bulging out there, leaking a tiny bit. There's another one bulging. The other ones look okay. We're going to replace these two because they're not in good shape, and that's probably what's causing that relay to click and not turn on, to not fire up the LCD. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to unplug all these connectors to this power supply board. And one more here. Okay, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to remove. Looks like just 4. Alright. Okay, we got all the screws out. There was actually 6, not 4. And I'm going to take this power board. We can see the numbers are CM813 and CM807. We'll find these over on this side. That's where we're going to unsolder the leads. Okay. Okay, we got these 3 capacitors replaced. We replaced these 2. This one and this one that were bulging and leaking. We also replaced this one because it was a matching 10 volt. We put 16 volt capacitors in there, a little higher. So let's put this back together and see what happens. Okay, we've got the power board reinstalled in the back of the LCD, and now we've got this basket reinstalled also. So now we're going to put the rear case back on. Okay, we got the back on this thing, and we're going to plug it in and hook it up and see what happens. Okay, this it's all hooked up, turned on, it fired right up. There was no clicking. That's all that was wrong. I replaced those 3 capacitors, the 2 of them that were bulging and leaking, and with new ones, 16 volts instead of 10 volt, and this thing fires right up. And we're going to give an example of how this turns on. Okay. And there it is. No clicking. Fires right up. First relay. It was the charge was received on. You got it. Okay.